Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Creating simple and natural garden pathways can enhance the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space while blending harmoniously with the natural surroundings. Here are some ideas and steps to create such pathways. Materials you shall need. Natural stones. Flat and irregularly shaped stones like flagstones, river rocks, or stepping stones are ideal for a natural look. Gravel or pea gravel to fill gaps between stones and create a rustic, permeable surface. Sand for leveling the ground beneath the stones. Gardening tool, shovel, rake, wheelbarrow, and a level. Lands- Landscaping fabric to prevent weed growth under the pathway. Edging material to define the pathway's borders. Steps to create simple and natural garden pathways. Plan your path. Decide on the path shape, length, and placement. Consider the natural flow of your garden and how you want the path to integrate with it. Clear the area. Remove any existing grass, weeds, or debris from the path area. Use a shovel or rake to level the ground. Lay, lay landscaping fabric. To prevent weeds from growing through the pathway, you can lay landscaping fabric over the cleared area. This step is optional but can help with long-term maintenance. Place stones. Arrange the natural stones or stepping stones along the path as desired. Leave some space between them to fill with gravel. Make sure each stone is level and firmly seated in the soil. Fill the gaps. Pour gravel or pea gravel into the gaps between the stones. Use sand. If any of the stones are uneven or wobble, you can add a layer of sand beneath them to level things out. Add edging. To define the pathways better than keep stones in place, you can install edging material like timber, bricks, or natural rocks along the sides. Compact the path. Walk over the pathway to compress the stones and gravel. This will help to settle them into the soil and create a more stable surface. Final adjustment. Make any final adjustment to the placement of the stones and gravel to ensure the pathway is even and visually pleasing. Water and maintenance. Water the pathway to settle the gravel and sand. Regularly maintain the path by adding more gravel as needed to keep it level and attractive. Periodically remove any weeds that may grow between the stones. Simple and natural garden pathways after a rustic and timeless appeal that can complement a wide range of garden styles. They are not only provide a functional walkway but also enhance the overall aesthetic of your outdoor space. Thanks.